Check out this beautiful 1973 Dodge Charger. It's a very original car, in and out. It's got the factory 318 V8 air conditioning. It's an SE model. 73 Dodge Charger SE. Laser straight body, optional vinyl top. Just a cool car all around. The black wheels with the red trim. I mean, just got that menacing look these Chargers have. New exhaust, power steering. Listen to that. Wow. Power steering, power brakes, factory AC, beautiful interior. Just a super car all around. Original 80, let's see, we got 86,000 original miles. Factory radio, dash is an excellent. The seats are beautiful. Just a super clean 73 Dodge Charger SE. Loaded up with the options. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Look how straight this car is down the side. All the lines, everything's right.